is Code? For more than 20 years, Code has been an innovator and leader in the data capture field. We hold more than 100 patents in imaging and decoding technology. Our decoding algorithms are what truly set us apart from the competition. Algorithms are what allows our scanners to read all kinds of barcodes in all types of conditions.
The healthcare arena and infection control is where Code really shines. It's where we started and what we do best. We've listened for years to nurses, administrators, and even patients to design scanners that are purpose-built for healthcare environments. They are lightweight, ergonomic, and perform on demand. They feature Code Shield plastics that can withstand the harsh cleaning and disinfecting necessary in clinics and hospitals. And they're designed specifically for the workflows of modern hospitals and clinics.
Where is Code established in the healthcare space? You can find Code on mobile carts, in pharmacies for medication orders, and in labs for specimen tracking. We're at patient bedsides for patient identification and medication administration. We're in NICUs and nurseries for positive breast milk verification, and you'll find us throughout hospital and clinic sites for inventory management.
Code is different because of our focus on infection control. Our patented Code Shield plastics are more than just bacterial-resistant plastic. Companies that use antimicrobial or antibacterial plastics will tell you this makes their products safer. What they won't tell you is that their plastics will degrade and begin falling apart once they are exposed to typical hospital-grade cleaners and disinfectants. Code Shield plastics can withstand the widest range of certified disinfectants in the industry.
Our flagship healthcare scanner is the CR2700. The housing is made of Code Shield plastic that can be quickly and completely wiped down with the harshest chemicals.
It features inductive charging, so there is no exposed metal that can become corroded as a result of cleaning and disinfectant exposure.
With an IP65 rating, it will keep dust and liquids from getting inside the housing. It has Bluetooth Low Energy 5 for enhanced data security, throughput, and transmission ranges. It's ergonomically designed, lightweight, and fits conveniently in the pocket of your staff member scrubs.
With its streamlined design, it's easier to clean, eliminating those difficult get-to nooks and crannies. It comes either in a handled or palm-held design for the convenience of your staff.
The power behind the CR2700 is our Cortex Decoder barcode scanning solution. Our software tech is so dynamic, it's found in hundreds of thousands of our partners' products worldwide. It can turn any Apple iOS device into an enterprise-grade scanning device using only the built-in camera. This eliminates the need for additional scanning hardware. Code is the only channel provider for this soft scan feature within Rover, which is our Cortex Decoder for Epic, which supports healthcare professionals across the world.
The enterprise-grade decoding algorithms in the software provide near zero miss accuracy, even with faded or torn barcodes, or barcodes on reflective or curved surfaces. It can decode more than 43 barcode symbologies and is compatible with any operating system. You can demo the product by downloading the free Cortex Scan app available on Apple Store and Google Play.
With the seriousness of the COVID-19 virus, Code has developed a resource page to assist with infection control. You can visit www.codecorp.com/IDCANDCODE for additional information on containing the spread of this virus, including a disinfectant chart and a cleaning guide for Code products. To meet the needs of our partners and customers, we have all hands on deck. All of our offices, manufacturing facilities, and supply chain facilities are operating at full capacity.
We are also offering a trade-in promotion and we are offering unlimited use of the demo key for new and existing customers.
We're excited to have you as part of the Code family, and we look forward to working with you through the rest of 2020.
Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your time.